What's up, everybody? I wanted to take a minute to introduce everybody to this video. I took a bunch of footage on my very mid-range phone, and most of the footage is choppy at best. This phone is supposed to be a decent phone, but anyhow, I digress. So the channel went ahead and made the purchase of a GoPro Hero 9, so hopefully when we get the new camera in, we'll start experimenting with some better content and stuff like that. So the video was supposed to be me putting in an RTX 3060 Ti into a 10-year-old computer with the first gen. It was a Core i7, but anyhow, an older i7 CPU. And what ended up happening, I got most of the footage. My 6-year-old son, whose birthday is today actually, so we'll be uploading the video on his 7th birthday, so everybody send love for him on his birthday. I want to do more videos like this because the footage that I at least was able to save from putting this computer together and everything was really good footage. So with some really good time between me and my son, and we had a blast. So, and we had a few laughs along the way. So without all the talkity talk, check it out.
We need like a supercharged one, like a supercharged.
Yep, like the one in that box over here. Helps to have one of these. First thing you're gonna Alright, this is a Corsair CV650, 650 watt power supply. It's not modular, it's not semi-modular, it's not any kind of convenient to put in a case, but should work perfectly for what we're going to do here. So.
What is that thing? Oh, it's a cord.
It's the power supply. Links when it's using the hard drive.
We need to take out that back right here. We need to take out this. Push, push. I know the lines goes there. See?
Alright, so that one's gonna go right here, but we gotta flip it around like this.
Okay. Let me do it.
Push it in. Push, 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 push. Click. There we go.
Yeah. Just making sure it's plugged in all right.
Yep. And now I need this one that says CPU.
CPU.
It says CPU, right?
Okay. Let me do it.
Alright, this is too big, so. See it plugs in. See the clip? The clip goes in the sideways.
Okay.
Get it?
That way? Backwards?
See the little thing on the side here? Side. Awesome job. You got it. Yeah. Push it. There we go.
There's a 4 right there.
Yep. That's fine. We're not using that yet. So we're going to put this in here.
There?
Yep. Even though this is a really old computer.
Or there. Because back there.
No, it's going to plug right in here to this slot.
Oh, okay. Let me do it. Well, I didn't put it in the other box. In the other box. Box. Oh, that's so small. Why is it so small for?
Small. Look at it.
I'm bigger than that.
Yeah. This is the Asus RTX 3060 Ti.
Oh, look at that more. Ew.
We gotta peel it. You want to peel it?
Okay.
All right. Go. Good
Get
job.
a plastic a day.
There you go. All right. Good job. You got it.
I got all.
I feed it through.
I want to do it. Which one is it?
It's,
Good.
yeah. That's pretty cool, huh? And you helped.
We're going to plug this in.
plug it into the power here though and see if it at least comes on.
It's so dark, I can't even see out there.
Oh yeah, almost forgot. Yeah, I cut the video here because the computer didn't post, but that was just because I didn't have the motherboard pins in the right place, the headers for the reset switch and the power switch. They're color coded, and I was following the color coded pattern on the motherboard, but ultimately they were all in different places. Don't always trust the color combinations. Actually take the time to read, like my son did. If you look about halfway through the video, he was looking, he even read, the one that said reset switch and hard drive LED, just because those matched up to the colors on there. The colors on the board were not in reference to that case. The case is old Diablo Jet case. Anyhow, we got the machine to post and we tested it, and maybe a little bit of a surprise, or maybe a surprise to no one, but the 10-year-old computer with an RTX 3060 Ti and a CAN game. We played some Fortnite on it, and then I played I think War Robots for a little while, and then I ran into an issue. Anyhow, the issue was the hard drive, the old spinning hard drive in it. There's something going on with that. It's a 750 gigabyte hard drive, but it itself was in the machine with the 10-year-old i7 in it. So I wish I could get audio, but I don't have it plugged in anymore, but I'll try to insert audio here. Kind of what it sounded like. That was an over-exaggeration, but anyhow, it was very loud and it sounded like it was going to die. Most of the footage was garbage anyway, so this was just a really good time for me to bond with my son, and he got to learn how to build a computer. With my son being 6, it was easy enough for him to understand and learn how to do. He had light bulbs going off in his head. He knew this went there and this went there, and his name is Aiden, and he is a PC gamer just like me. If I play like duos on Fortnite, he's my partner, and trust me, he's a force to be reckoned with, man. That 6-year-old will take people down and then resurrect me and then take more people down. He's really a go-getter, so it's because he's such a bright ray of sunshine, and kids have an awesome way of looking at things sometimes, so definitely I'm going to do some nice product reviews hopefully soon on the 3060 Ti. Thanks for watching.
Thank you for watching for our video. Bye. Bye.
This is all filler. It's all filler. More cutsies. Cut this. Back it up a little bit. Editing. It is difficult, man.